Good morning, students. Today we will discuss our previous chapter working in Ubuntu. Let's learn opening a program. How to open a program? Click on the dash icon on the launcher. Look here. Here is dash icon. Our mouse pointer is there. Now see, they have clicked on dash box and can see here a search box. From the search box, you can search any file, any application, and these are the applications displaying on the screen, which are already downloaded on your computer. Next, select application lens from the bottom of the dash window. Now, after writing any file name on the search bar, you will click this. Dash displays recently used installed applications, more suggestions, and dash plugins applications. Next, click on the installed category. All the installed applications will be listed. Scroll through the list and open the desired application by clicking on it. Let's learn how to add or remove launcher icons. Shortcut of your favorite application can be added to the launcher for quick access. Follow the steps to add or remove an application from the launcher. To add an application icon, click on dash icon. Drag the desired icon from the dash window and drop it onto the launcher. The icon appears on the launcher. The icon will be shown on launcher. To remove an application icon, how to remove an application icon? Right click on the application icon in the launcher. The shortcut menu appears. Select the unlock from launcher option. The icon disappears from the launcher. Next is customizing the launcher. You can also customizing the launcher. Let us learn how to customize the launcher in different ways. We can change launcher in different ways. Change the size of the launcher icon. You can also change the size of an application icon that is placed on the launcher. Click on the system setting icon on the launcher. Two ways are there. One, you can click on dash box and write here system. System launcher icon will come there and you can click there and do the changes according to you. Or you can also click on the session indicator icon at the right corner of indicator area. Select the system settings option from the drop down list. The system setting dialog box appears. Now here, after clicking on the system setting, we have click on appearance. It means the background of the desktop. So if we want to change this picture, what we will do? Select the appearance option under the personal category. The appearance window opens. Make sure the Look tab is selected. At the bottom right corner is slider for changing the launcher icon size. Drag the slider toward right to increase or toward left to decrease the icon size. Click on the Close button at the upper left corner. The System Setting dialog box closes. The System Setting dialog box closes. Now, next is selecting and deselecting icons. Selecting an icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. For example, I want to select this tux paint icon. I will just click on this with left mouse button, right? It will become like this orange. It means it is selected. It will be highlighted. Now deselecting an icon. To deselect an icon, click away from the icon. I want to deselect this icon. What I will do? As you can see the blank space here with the icons, you can click on this blank space once with the left mouse button and this will deselect it. Now the icon will be displayed in its original form. Now selecting adjacent icon and non-adjacent icon. For selecting adjacent icon, left click on the first item to be selected. Hold down the shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the shift key. All the adjacent icons are selected. For selecting non-adjacent icons, hold down the Control key for non-adjacent icons. Click once on each of the item to be selected. This way you can select the non-adjacent icon. Next is arranging the desktop icons. Now here you can see in this picture the icons are not in a line. So if we want to make this icon in proper line, so what we will do? We will right click the right mouse button and these options will come. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, similarly you can arrange the icon on the desktop to give them a better look to this. Right click on the blank area of desktop. You will find a list of options. This is called shortcut menu. Click on keep aligned option and your desktop icon will be arranged systematically like this. This is called arrangement of icons on the desktop. Observe the changes in this figure. Observe it. It will be in aligned arrange on the desktop. Now next is organizing the desktop icons. If we want to organizing the desktop icon according to the name, so what we will do? Icons on the desktop can be organized in an alphabetical order. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Click on the Organize Desktop by Name option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order as shown in the figure. An important note, Ubuntu organizes folders and files separately.